are in position. And
Why
I
are you
don't-
crying, Miss
kasi
Maslog?
Hindi po ako. They were invited to go to Davao.
Madam Chair,
Motorcycle.
SP pro tempore?
I see Alice go in disbelief. I see Alice go in disbelief.
Meron pa po akong kadagdagan po na answer po pala doon sa na-mention po ni Ma'am Maslog kanina na invitation ng Davao. I just want to clarify. Wala pong nangyaring invitation po ng Davao. I just want to clarify. Wala pong nangyaring invitation po ng Davao. Wala po akong kakilala. At yung picture na yon ay nag-iisang picture lang po yon, July 22 to be exact, 2022. Hindi na po presidente si former president that time. Think and I believe po na-circulate naman po talaga siya. Kumalat po siya sa social media, pero that was my first time po na nakita ko po siya. Meron pong isang picture po with the former president po and me, nag-group po na circulating before. Yan po yung kinukwento po. Yan yung isa rin po na pagkwentuhan po namin. Na that's my first time po nakita ko po ang former president. Doon sa group picture niyan na circulating, that was the first time po na nakita ko po siya.
Ang tanong lamang ay anong sinabi? Ano yung sinabi?
Your Honor, I can't. I'm sorry. Your
Why not? Why can't you?
Those are names po that not validated and I'm not
You are
really
not-
sure.
Di mo kaya nabasa yung pangalan na yan doon sa prepared affidavit na gusto mong papirmahan kay Alice Go?
Your Honor, wala po akong papipirmahan kay Alice, Your
Kang
Honor.
magsinungaling. I have iwan information. Sino yung sa Malacanang nag-utos sa'yo?
Your Honor, I did not convince Alice po to sign any document po.
You
Your Honor.
are a liar.